Assalamu Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters, and welcome to Zak Islam channel. As we approach the blessed month of Ramadan, it's important to prepare not only our bodies for fasting, but also our hearts and minds for spiritual renewal. Ramadan is a time for reflection, self-improvement, and reconnecting with Allah. Today, I want to share with you 10 essential tips that can help you prepare spiritually for this sacred month. Before diving into the tips, let's understand why spiritual preparation is so important. Ramadan is not just about abstaining from food and drink. It's a journey of cleansing our hearts, strengthening our faith, and enhancing our connection with Allah. By preparing spiritually, we set the stage to fully benefit from the blessings of this holy month. Tip 1. Purify your intention, niyyah. First and foremost, purify your intention. Make a sincere intention that every act of worship, every prayer, and every moment of reflection is solely for the pleasure of Allah. Remember, the quality of our intentions shapes our spiritual journey. Tip 2. Create a Quran reading schedule. Dedicate specific times each day for reading the Quran. Consider setting aside time for tafsir so you can understand the deeper meanings behind the verses. This habit will enrich your connection with Allah's words. Tip 3. Establish your worship routine. In addition to your obligatory prayers, include extra acts of worship like nafil prayers, duha, and even tahajjud if possible. Incorporate regular zikr and dua into your daily routine to keep your focus on Allah throughout the day. Tip 4. Practice self-reflection and journaling. Engage in self-reflection and keep a spiritual journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and any insights you gain each day. This will help you track your progress and serve as a source of inspiration during challenging moments. Tip 5. Prepare physically with a healthy diet. Plan balanced meals for suhoor and iftar to sustain your energy throughout the day. A healthy body supports a healthy mind and soul, making your fasting experience smoother. Tip 6. Initiate a digital detox. Limit your exposure to social media and unnecessary online distractions in the days leading up to Ramadan. Use this time to focus on your spiritual growth and deepen your personal connection with Allah. Tip 7. Strengthen community ties. Reach out to family and friends, join community iftars, or participate in study circles. Sharing the journey with others provides support and strengthens your collective spiritual bond. Tip 8. Listen to inspirational Islamic lectures and podcasts. Create a playlist of Islamic lectures, podcasts, and seminars that inspire you. These resources can motivate you and offer fresh perspectives on deepening your faith. Tip 9. Plan acts of charity and kindness. Ramadan is the perfect time to increase your charitable efforts. Whether through donating, volunteering, or performing small acts of kindness, plan ahead to give back to your community and help those in need. Tip 10. Set personal spiritual goals. Finally, set clear, personal spiritual goals. Decide what you wish to achieve during Ramadan, whether it's completing the Quran, improving your prayer routine, or enhancing your character. Write these goals down and create a practical plan to achieve them throughout the month. Here's a simple daily routine you can adapt for Ramadan. Early morning, pre-dawn, wake up for suhoor, make your intention, and spend a few minutes in quiet reflection. Morning. After Fajr, dedicate time to reading the Quran or listening to an inspiring lecture. Midday. Perform your dhuhr prayer and take a few moments to journal your thoughts. Afternoon. Engage in some light community or family activities, balancing your time between worldly tasks and spiritual growth. Evening. After Maghrib, break your fast with a healthy meal, followed by Isha and Taraweeh prayers. Late night. If possible, perform tahajjud or engage in extra dua before rest. In conclusion, these 10 tips are designed to help you embrace Ramadan as a true spiritual journey. By purifying your intention, engaging with the Quran, establishing a